Trading scenario. What happens? If you trade with just $100, imagine starting a trading account with just $100, $100 or $100. Margin trading allows you to begin Forex trading with a little deposit. But is it wise to do so? Let's investigate what might happen in this case. In this trading situation, your retail Forex broker sets the margin call level to 100% and the stop-out level to 20%. Now that we've covered the basics of margin call and stop-out levels, let's see if trading with just $100 is possible. Step 1. Deposit funds into trading account. Because you're anxious to get started, you put $100 into your trading account, giving you a total account balance of $100. This is how it shows in your trading account. Step 2. Calculate required margin. Assuming you are interested in trading EUR/USD at 1-2000, open 5 micro lots, 1,000 units x 5. The margin requirement is 1%. How much margin, required margin, do you need to open this position? Because our trading account is in USD, we must convert the EUR value to USD to calculate the notional value of the trade. The notional value is $6,000. With this information, we can determine the required margin. The required margin would be 60 as your trading account is in US dollars and requires a 1% margin. Step 3. Calculate used margin. Aside from the trade we just entered, there are no other open trades. With only one open position, the used margin is equal to the required margin. Step 4. Calculate equity. Assume the price has moved slightly in your favor and your position is now trading at profitability, meaning your floating PL is $0. Now, let's compute your equity. You currently have $100 in equity in your account. Step 5. Calculate free margin. We can now calculate the free margin as we know the equity. The free margin is set at $40. Step 6. Calculate margin level. We can calculate the margin level as we know the equity. There is a 167% margin level. Right now, your trading platform's account data would look like this. EUR/USD rises 80 pips. The current market value of EUR/USD is 1.2080 after rising by 80 pip. Let's evaluate how this will affect your account. Used margin. You will notice that the used margin has changed. The position's notional value changed as a result of the fluctuating exchange rate. This implies that the required margin has to be adjusted. The required margin fluctuates with any EUR/USD exchange rate changes. Now that the EUR/USD pair is trading at 1.20800 rather than 1.2000, let's calculate the required margin required to keep the position open. We will convert the EUR value to USD as our trading account is in USD to determine the trade's notional value. The current notional value is $6,040. Floating PL. The EUR/USD pair has increased, moving from 1,2000 to 12080, a difference of 80 pip. A 1 pip change equals 0/10 per microlot since you are trading microlots. Since you have 5 microlots in your position, 1 pip change is equivalent to 0.50. There is a $40 floating loss as a result of your short position in EUR/USD. Equity, you now have $60 in equity, free margin. Right now, your free margin is $0, margin level. The amount of your margin has decreased to 99%. Your margin level currently lies below 100%. At this point, you will receive a margin call. Account metrics. In your trading platform, your account data might appear like this. Stop out. The stop out level is activated when the margin level falls below 20%. When your margin level reaches the stop out level, your trading platform will automatically execute a stop out. This action causes your trade to automatically close at the market price, which causes 2 outcomes. Your used margin becomes released. Your floating loss is realized. Your balance will be changed to reflect the realized loss. Your account goes flat when there are no open positions. As a result, your free margin, equity, and balance remain the same. There is no margin level or floating PL because there are no open positions. Let's look at how your trading account changed from beginning to end. Before the trade, you had $100 in cash. Now, after just one trade, you only have $12 left. That's not even enough to cover 1 month of Netflix. You've lost 88% of your capital. Well, that's a wrap for today's video, but guess what? Our journey doesn't stop here. Make sure you're subscribed to catch all the latest trading tips and strategies. We've got some awesome free courses and killer knowledge-based videos waiting for you. And hey, it won't cost you a dime. But trust me, it's gonna make a world of difference in your trading game. And hey, do us a solid, smash that like button. And if you think this could help out your trading buddies, hit that share button too. Your support means the world to us. Tell us what topic next you want us to cover, and we can't wait to catch you in our next video. Until then, happy trading.